how to check Shake Shack's gift card balance online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check Shake Shack's gift card balance. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser and go to ShakeShack.com. You'll see gift card option right at the top. Just tap on it. And then once you're there, scroll down and then you can see the gift card balance option. Just tap on check balance. And then you can scroll down and you'll need to put in the gift card number and then just tap on check balance. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. So there you go, just card number and PIN. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the thumbs up and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.